Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can find trending audio on Instagram. So it's pretty easy. First thing is you want to open up your Instagram, and on your Instagram you want to click on the reel button at the bottom. Once you're on the reel center, just keep on scrolling and keep on scrolling. Once you keep on scrolling, at the bottom left corner you're going to see your audio with this arrow. If you ever see your audio with this arrow, it basically means that this song is trending. Now once you find a trending song like this with an arrow, what you can do is just click on the music and your music will open up just like this. And over here just click on use audio and you can start using the audio. And you can also see 577k reels, which means 577,000 reels has been made using this audio. So it's obviously trending. So you can click on use audio, and once you do that you can start creating reel using that audio. But I don't want to create any reel right now, but I'm just showing you how you guys can find trending songs on Instagram. So try to find music with this arrow and click on it and use it. So that's how you guys can find Instagram trending song. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I will see you guys next time.